Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you more examples on how you can use regex to work smarter in Excel. This is going to be a very simple and straightforward example, but then I will show you how I would have done this exercise in the past when we didn't have regular expressions as part of the Excel desktop. And this is going to give you a little bit of insight into what regex actually does. So let's dive in. For this example, the goal is to check if the account codes contain numeric values so that we can classify them and then convert them into the new account coding system, which contains only alphabets. So I can do this with a regex formula, and then I would show you how I would have done this without regex, and that is going to reinforce the regex concept for anyone who's new to regular expression. So I'm going to type in reg test. So we're going to do a test, and the text is going to be in here. And then what is the pattern? This is a very simple one. So it's going to be the 0 to 9 because we're just hunting for numbers here. And it's just that simple, close parenthesis, hit enter. And just double click this and it sends it all down. As we can see, for everyone that has a true, there's a number in the account code. If I didn't know about regex, or if I happen to have a desktop version that doesn't have the regex test function in it, how would I have done this in Excel? I'm just going to open this up and show you the formula. I would have had to use the count and find function together. And it's kind of exactly what the regex test formula is trying to do. So what we used to do in Excel is find all numbers within this text and then do a count and say if the count exceeds 0, then it definitely contains a number, and that returns the true response. As you can see here, the formula works exactly the same way as the regex, and it gives us the same results. But you would agree with me that this is an easier formula to write. It's faster, it's more efficient, and it's more scalable compared to this one. And this requires you to combine formulas again. Some of these are susceptible to breaking sometimes when you want to scale them for larger data sets. So this is another example to reinforce the regular expression patterns. In this month, I will be focusing mostly on regular expressions and trying my best as much as possible to ensure that I break it down as simple as I can. If you find this content useful, share with others, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.